How to add friends in Dragon City. First things first, before you log on to the game and run the application, this option might not be available if you haven't installed the latest version of the app. So just simply head over directly to Google Play Store or wherever you have downloaded the Dragon City app. And here just simply choose on the search box and type in Dragon City. So this is where you will know if you're currently running the latest version because the update button is not visible. If it is, just simply tap on that and it will automatically do the magic by itself. Now let's dig into the game. Run your game and make sure that you're logged into your account. What I meant was, if you logged into your account, it needs to be connected through your Facebook account. Now at the lower left portion of your screen, you should be able to see social. Tap on that, and then on the friends option, just choose on here we go. So this is where all your friends that you added will show up on social tab. Now if you haven't connected your Dragon City account to Facebook, you must have to connect it first so that you can add friends. And that's it. That's how you add friends in Dragon City.